Hereby we are welcoming each other. This time we will going to have state. Its identity as a state. Today we live in Uttar Pradesh. It is fifth largest state economic wise in the terms of a nation of India. It contribute to fifth largest number with GDP production. So it is under lockdown and the territory marked out to emerge as state of nation. So we are learning the emergence of state and nation. So let's check it out. The theories on the origin of the state, how these states are formed. So the one particular factor which was playing the prominent role is religious beliefs, the holy scriptures, and that gives the supreme authority. They talked about divine theory, which is just as God have created this world, God have marked us all together as a collective force, and we are living with the belief of it that we have holy scriptures, common interests and common ideologies, beliefs, faith, and then this society framed. So this was also a state which discuss the phases of collective association of social political animal, that is human being, and it's talk about the beliefs, religious beliefs, holy scriptures as their governing constitution at that time.
Scholars, once again I'm writing one word for you, that is legal studies. And we have learned the word society, which marks you to another phase of introduction, which was state. And now I will tell you how the state forms. The state. I have given you word for this now, where I have said one term for you, web. Now we will going to replace it with the term that is called your first phase, new introduction word, that is social association, or another word which we can say is relationship, social relationship. I have written this L na as a T because I want to discuss it something important. Relationship that is brought out of association. सोशल रिलेशनशिप है, सोसाइटी एक इस तरह का एसोसिएशन है. लुक दिस एल introduce you with the word language, just stick. Yeah, you can say language. For you, it is easy to learn language. And then this T brings you to the word territory. These both are connecting point. Because society is web, social association or a social relationship, which is based of same due to same language or belonging to the same region, so we mark the word state. But this state has an identity, which means to say collection of people of the same religious beliefs. सारे लोगों का एक जैसा धर्म हो, एक जैसी फेथ हो, एक ट्राइब हो, एक ही खानदान हो. दैट ऑल्सो बीन इंट्रोड्यूस्ड. अगर ऐसा नहीं है, एक तरह का रिलीजन नहीं है, एक तरह की फेथ नहीं है, एक तरह की ट्राइब नहीं है, तो एक तरह की टेरिटरी में रहते हो, नहीं तो एक तरह की लैंग्वेज हो, इस तरह का कोलैबोरेशन हो कि दैट दे मार्क वन वर्ड सोशल रिलेशनशिप हो. अगर वो रिलीजियस और फेथ और ट्राइब के साथ एंटर्ड कर चुके हैं तो सोशल रिलेशनशिप होगी. ये तीनों चीजें एक चीज को इंट्रोड्यूस करेंगी, देन दे कोलैबोरेटेड, दे विल फॉर्म वन क्लैंक यानी हेरिडिटरी. एंड अगर सोशल एसोसिएशन है, सो देन मार्क यू विद द वर्ड सेम लैंग्वेज और टेरिटरी, विच लेटर इवन सेज, जैसे आपका होता है जाट, गुज्जर हो गया, आपका स्पेसिफिक रीजनल कम्युनिटीज सेम लैंग्वेज से बिलोंग करती है, तो वो वाली आइडेंटिटी है, तो देन मार्क यू सोशल एसोसिएशन. अगर आपके बिलीव्स हैं, फेथ है, ट्राइब है, खानदानी रिवायत है, सो दैट मार्क्स यू सोशल रिलेशनशिप. रिलेशन है, एक तरह से आपका रिश्तेदारी है या रिश्तेदारी की तरह से कोई तरीका है, जैसे कहते हैं ना हमारा एक ही धर्म है तो एक रिश्तेदारी हो गई, वी मार्क द आइडेंटिटी ऑफ सेम रिलीजन, सेम फेथ, सेम आइडिया, सेम बिलीव्स एंड वी बिलोंग्स टू वन ट्राइब ओनली है, तो हमारे खानदान का हिस्सा है. तो दैट्स वाई सोशल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी और रिलेशनशिप. इफ यू मार्क द वर्ड विद द लैंग्वेज, हम एक बोली के हैं, एक जगह से आते हैं वाली आइडेंटिटी, then society is said to be a social association. And when these all collection will be framed, when you will have web, you are belonging to language, territory, religion, faith, tribe, so ultimately you will lead to a state, and then this state collaboration will take you to further, and that marks you to the intellectual, emotional connect, and then this whole thing scenario will be utilized for the political formation of the society. So the society will be politically framed. So hereby with this note we are concluding for the first session. So next time we will going to learn for the emergence of state. So till then, take care. See you again soon.
So today we will discuss divine theory, which focus on the state establishment and its development and catered the service to the society with a politically organization. But this time the government or the governed authority will be the superhuman power or God. Or they say that king is the agent and religious scriptures is the beliefs or the ideologies and rules and regulations which have to be followed. एंड ये कहता था कि भगवान ने ये दुनिया बनाई है, अल्लाह ताला ने ये दुनिया बनाई है. इट मार्क्स यू द आइडेंटिटी. God created animals, plant, human being, nature, physical and human resources. So God have created the state also. That we have peace, protection, preservation of creatures on this earth. और एक common obeying center होगा, एक common belief होगा. And this James I and Sir Robert Filmer was the political thinker to lay so. And this society is just religious based society with common language, ideas, beliefs, faith, culture, customs, etc. ये एक ऐसी सोसाइटी है जिसे आप कह सकते हैं कि इस्लाम था तो अल्लाह वॉज द गॉड एंड कुरान पाक वॉज द स्क्रिप्चर. आप कह सकते हैं हिंदुज़म था सो रामायण एंड महाभारता वॉज द स्क्रिप्चर्स. देन इट हैज़ द आइडेंटिटी ऑफ होली बुक्स. तो देन क्रिश्चियनिटी थी तो बाइबल. Guru Granth Sahib marks this Sikhism. So the political thinkers given this functionality that moral character was the state functioning basis added, और उसमें सारा religious sanction था. और primitive men पुराने टाइम में लोग बहुत मानते थे इस चीज़ों को, और एक अथॉराइज पर्सन रखा गया किंग के पोजीशन पे, और एक होली स्क्रिप्चर रखी गई जिससे सबका इंटरेस्ट कलेक्टिवली प्रोटेक्ट हो सके और ज़रूरत के हिसाब से मॉडिफाई कर सके सोसाइटी को. Thus, religious linguistic diversity-based society was variation of the state formation in each region of the country or the world, you can say. Even the country marks the various religion, like India was a diversified country. So it marks the each state kingdoms wise cultures, and then it marks the identity of divine theory for the emergence of state, जहाँ पर religious beliefs, ideologies, custom were your laying foundation for the formation or emergence of state. So hereby we are concluding with a promise to see each other again. Thank you for visiting.